Hi, welcome to BYD Crewe. My name's Vanessa and today we've got an approved used BYD ATTO 3 Comfort finished off in a surfing blue colour. The vehicle is powered by a 60 kWh battery with a realistic range of up to 260 miles. The vehicle is fitted with full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights to illuminate your night drives, especially when it's really dark or in adverse weather conditions. It is also standing on 18-inch alloy wheels, completing the exterior look of the vehicle. Moving to the boot, we've got a 60x40 split in the rear seats with a boot floor opening to hold all your charging cables and equipment, with some storage pockets on either side as well. In terms of charging, we have got a max DC charge of 88 kilowatts with a rapid charge of 44 minutes that gets you from 10 to 80%, or a 7 kilowatt home charge in just over 9 hours. Inside, we've got a nice finish of some blue and white leather, finished in red stitching, giving this a unique and very nice finish in the interior. We've got a multifunctional steering wheel and a 12.8-inch electric rotary touchscreen with a sunroof as well. The heated seats also keep you comfortable during the cold weather. In the driver's position, we've got the main dashboard display in front of us, showing us the mile range and battery percentage with driving modes from normal, sport and eco. Moving on to the infotainment screen, we have got the navigation, which gives us a big map, making sure we are always knowing where we are going. Then there are a wide range of radio stations to choose from, or you can log into your Spotify to listen to your own songs. We've got BYD Assistant as well as Bluetooth connectivity to make phone calls to your loved ones. There is also a 360-degree camera with many points of views around the vehicle, making parking situations much more easier. For personalization, there are different themes and wallpapers, an option for smart charging, and general system settings looking at the energy levels with regenerative braking, as well as keeping all your service history. Moving further, we've got the climate control system with everything being displayed digitally, and you can also switch on your heated seats from here. With just one press of a button, you can rotate the screen to have it to how you prefer. We've got some storage compartments as well for your personal belongings, as well as 2 cup holders and a central armrest system. You can also use the blinds to cover up the sunroof if you wanted to. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, inquire online now and our friendly sales team will give you a call. Thank you very much for watching at BYD Crewe, and we hope to see you very soon.